Hi, I'm Khushbu Agrawal. Today I will take you through my final project in Business Analytics course. The topic of my project is Olympic Data Exploration and Visualization. Olympic Games have 120 years of vast history. The focus of my analysis is on Summer Olympics only. Let me start with the project overview. This project primarily focuses on history and evolution of Summer Olympics over the course of 120 years. The problem addressed here is while the internet is full of various data points of Olympic Games, it is very hard to find an aggregated view that provides key insight at one place. The aim of this project is to develop a Tableau-based visualization application that provides an aggregated view for users in the form of interactive dashboards and charts. The main objective of this project is to prepare a Tableau-based data visualization application with utilizing data of 120 years of Summer Olympics Games. The target users for this analysis is anyone who is interested to learn more about the history of Olympics, including but not limited to sport persons, coaches, and sports organizations. The data source for this analysis is Kaggle, which is used to get athlete and medal info, and medalspercapita.com, which is used to get GDP and population info for countries. This is the workflow chart of my project. First, I got raw data from Kaggle and medalspercapita.com. Then I did the data cleaning in Excel, then the data consolidation. Then I've imported my Excel sheets into Tableau. Then I've created some live charts, bar charts, and maps. Then with those charts, I've created interactive dashboards. And finally, I published a Tableau story. I have published a Tableau story comprising of 4 interactive dashboards and 5 sheets. As per the flow shown here, users can select input and get filtered output. Initial sheet dashboards can also be used as output. Now, I would walk you through the live application demo. But before going into the actual demo, let's look at the data used for this analysis. This is the Excel sheet which I got from Kaggle. It has data of both Summer and Winter Olympics. As my focus is only on Summer Olympics, I bifurcated the data to get the separate sheet of Summer Olympics. Fills, let me go back to the first. Okay, so fills in column A to column O were already present in the datasheet. So I just filtered and copy pasted it from the athlete events. And fills and the fills which are in Q, R, S, and U, which are country, medal won, host country, and medal counts, are calculated fields. And the next fields from V to AB are like GDP of 2016, population of 2016, team size of 2016. So from column V to AB, these are the Rio Olympics 2016 data, which are populated and calculated by taking data from medalspercapita.com, and which is in these sheets, like this population, GDP, and team size. Now we'll go back to the Tableau story. Let's have a look at evolution of Summer Olympics. Summer Olympic Games have grown from a 43 event, 12 nations and 176 participants in 1896 to 306 events, 206 nations and 11,174 participants. I have used Tableau live chart features to show the trends. Olympics are held every 4 years, but were not organized in 1916 due to World War I and in 1940 and 1944 due to World War II. We observe a drop in participation in 1976, which was due to boycott from African countries. There is a further drop in 1980, which is due to boycott by USA and ally countries. Now next to the slide. If we look at the participation of female, it has grown exponentially over the years. Female participation in 1896 was none. In 1900, 23 female athletes participated, which has grown to record 5,031 participants in 2016. Now to the next slide. Now let's have a look at performance of countries in various Olympics. This dashboard provides Olympic timeline on top. Below that, on the left, is the bar chart displaying medal won so far in each sport. The map displays all countries. Olympic torch denotes the host city. Hover to view the city and year. This section displays overall medal count, which changes based on selection. Click on any year to highlight the countries that participated in that year. Display host city and overall medal count for that year in various sports. Drill down further by clicking on country to display medal count by sports for that country. This can be performed in reverse order also. That is, click on country first to display the years in which that country participated and overall medal count by sports. Click on year to further drill down. And this shows the total medal counts in each sports won by the country Canada. To the next slide. This dashboard provides history of Olympic sports played over the years. Click on any sports icon to highlight the mark for the year in which the sports was played and overall medal count by country for that sport. Drill down further by clicking on any highlighted year. Mark to display medal count by country for that year in selected sport event. To the next slide. This dashboard provides all-time top performance in Summer Olympics for top countries, top athletes, top male athletes, and top female athletes by medal count. In this chart, USA is leading the country with 2,544 medals, whereas Michael Phelps is leading the individual athlete chart with 28 medals, followed by Larissa Latchinina, 18 medals, who is also lead female athlete. Click on any year in timeline to view top performers in that year. Yeah, this is the changes made in those charts. Now to the next slide. This dashboard provides overview of most recent Summer Olympics games played in 2016 in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. This chart displays the names of countries that participated in Rio Olympics. The size of the circle denotes the team size from each country. Hover over to the circle to display team size, total medals won, and number of athletes per medal won. And the darker the size is showing, the better the medal won, athlete per medal won. To the next slide. The following chart is plotted between GDP per medal and corresponding country. The secondary axis refers to the number of medals won. This chart aims to understand the relation between a country's GDP and medals won in Rio Olympics 2016. With few exceptions, countries with high GDP have won more number of medals than countries with low GDP, such as US, Russia, China, Japan, Germany, France, and UK. This can be attributed to the fact that economically strong countries invest more in their sports infrastructure, which contributes to producing better athletes. The next slide. The following chart is plotted between population per medal and corresponding country. The secondary axis refers to the number of medals won. This chart aims to understand the relation between a country's population and medals won in Rio Olympics 2016. As a general trend, country's population has very little impact on number of medals won, as countries like Italy, Canada, South Korea, Germany, France have won considerable number of medals with less population. To the next slide. This is the last one. The following chart is plotted between athletes per medal and corresponding country. The secondary axis refers to the number of medals won. Overall, Azerbaijan is the best performing country with one medal won for every 3 athletes. Among countries with more than 30 medals won, USA is the best performing nation with a medal won for every 4.5 athletes, very closely followed by Russia with a medal won for every 4.7 athletes. So, this is the complete application in one story. You can also refer to individual sheets and dashboards by clicking on these tabs. Now back to our slides. There are some capabilities and limitations to my project. So first I'll discuss the capabilities with you. The project enables users to appreciate the performance of any country not only in terms of total number of medals won, but also from a different measures such as athletes per medal, GDP per medal, and population per medal. The project also enables users to view how Summer Olympics Games have evolved over the years, total number of medals won so far by each nation and athlete, and top performing nations and athletes. There are some limitations also. This application could be expanded to allow the users more choices and flexibility, such as entering or selecting the name of the athletes to display his or her overall performance statistics. There are some challenges which I faced during this project. The biggest challenge faced in this analysis was to clean and organize the data. The major issue was to check the correctness of data. There were few missing entries and some incorrect data, which I corrected and entered manually by referring to Olympic websites. Next challenge was to develop an interactive dashboards and story in Tableau after creating all chart. As I am completely new to Tableau, it took a time for me to read various articles on internet and to understand the functionality of Tableau. Finally, I was able to develop advanced interactive dashboards and a compelling Tableau story to present analysis in a structured way. Hope you have liked my project and thank you.